Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. We're just listing this 2014 410 Sea Ray Sundancer. Boat has custom canvas, and the isinglass is all in really good shape. I sold this boat new in 2014, and this is the second owner. Does include a grill here to the port side, a trash receptacle, and a wine storage chiller. This table drops down to make a full sun pad arrangement back here in the back. All this upholstery is new and been recovered. The QSM 6.7 Cummins engines have 775 hours on them. Twin Raymarine screens. Also bow thruster. These steps have all been recoated. The floors are in great condition. Nice galley area here to port. This is one of the first boats that has the bigger refrigerator and freezer. This is the first of two heads with a nice teak fold-down shower piece. Full shower. Back in the mid-berth, this table drops down and makes this a full sleeping area. Your controls are here. And this couch does pull out to make a bed. It's in very good shape. Storage throughout the cabinets. Nice full-size TV. Master berth has a full wooden door that folds. Nice hardware there. Storage throughout. Cedar lined closet. This bed does tilt up and down. Skylights here. And then a very nice owner's head with the full glass shower door. So give us a call. This 2014 410 Sea Ray Sundancer. Boat's in great shape. We look forward to answering any questions that you may have about it. Thank you.